In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Copilot in Edge. We'll walk through 3 reliable ways to remove Copilot from your view, starting with the most thorough method in Edge's settings, then a quick way to hide the button, and finally how to remove the entire sidebar, which also takes Copilot with it. Follow along and choose the option that fits how you use the browser. First, the best method is to turn off Copilot from Edge's settings. Open Microsoft Edge, then in the address bar type or paste Edge, Settings, Appearance, Copilot, and Sidebar, and press Enter. This takes you straight to the Copilot and Sidebar section. Under App-Specific Settings, find Copilot. Here, turn off Show Copilot button on Toolbar. If you don't want the sidebar access either, you can also turn off Show Sidebar button. With these toggles off, Copilot disappears from both the toolbar and the sidebar, giving you the cleanest result without disabling anything else you might need. Changes apply immediately, but if you don't see them right away, close and reopen Edge. Note that the exact wording of settings can vary slightly by version, and on work or school devices, some options may be managed by your organization and appear grayed out. If you just want a fast, minimal change, you can hide Copilot directly from the toolbar. Look to the top right of Edge for the Copilot icon, right-click it, and select Hide Copilot. This is quick and easy when you only want to declutter the toolbar. Keep in mind, though, this only removes the button. The Copilot feature is still present and may still show in the sidebar or be accessible through other UI elements. If it reappears after an update or a toolbar reset, use the settings method we just covered for a more permanent hide. Lastly, you can disable the Edge sidebar entirely. In the address bar, go to Edge and Settings, Appearance. Find the sidebar section and turn off sidebar or always show sidebar depending on what you see. Because Copilot runs inside the sidebar, turning the sidebar off removes Copilot from view as well. This is a great option if you don't use the sidebar's other tools. If you do rely on those tools, stick with the first method so you keep the sidebar while hiding only Copilot. You can re-enable the sidebar anytime by returning to the same setting. That's it. Use the settings method for the most comprehensive result. The toolbar hide for a quick cleanup, or disabling the sidebar if you don't need it at all. Thanks for watching.